Hi, boys and girls. So for grammar today, we're going to finish up our contractions. We did not finish them last week, so we are going to finish page 62 of our book, and then tomorrow we will go on to verbs, okay? So today we're talking about contractions. Remember, contractions are when you shove two words together and add an apostrophe. So, in a word like, let's see if we have one in here. Are not. Are not. Remember, we have two words, but we want to shorten it so that it's easier to write or faster sometimes. So you're going to keep the first word what? The same. Okay, first word the same. And then you are going to put the N right next to the E. Okay, the N right next to the E. And the O becomes a what? Apostrophe. Okay, and then you add your T. All right, so that's just a review of what we've talked about already. We shove the word together, the O becomes the apostrophe, and it becomes a new word. Are not equals aren't. And you can use that word instead of are not. All right, we are going to look at our page today. If you don't have it with you, please get it and do it with me. It is a lot better for you to be able to actually do it with me instead of just watching this, okay? All right, it says choose the correct contraction to finish the sentence. So we're going to do that first, okay? And a lot of times when you have things like this where you're picking between two things, you're going to try both ways and see which one sounds better. When you do grammar, a lot of it has to do with which one sounds right, okay? All right, so at the beginning, we are going to put both of these words and see which one sounds better. Aren't he stop drumming and cook soon? Aren't he stop drumming and cook soon? Ooh, I don't know that makes sense. Let's try the other one. Can't he stop drumming and cook soon? That sounds better, right? Can't. Okay, let's go to the next one. Isn't it fun petting him after he goes in the tub? Okay, can't it fun petting him after he goes in the tub? Yeah, isn't sounds better, right? The first one. Okay. Hasn't she say we are getting to buy wood this evening? Hasn't she say we are getting to buy wood this evening? Didn't she say we are getting to buy wood this evening? Didn't, yep. Okay, I don't believe the good dog wagged his tail every day. I isn't believe the good dog wagged his tail every day. I don't, right? I don't. I do not believe. Okay, here we go. She stopped, but her work can't done. She stopped, but her work isn't done. Which one sounds better? Circle the one that you think is right. She stopped, but her work can't done. She stopped, but her work isn't done. And you should have circled isn't. It's not done yet. Can't he hopped far? Can't he hopped far on one foot? Can't he hopped far on one foot? Okay, let's try the other way. Hasn't he hopped far on one foot? Which one sounds better? Can't he hopped far on one foot, or hasn't he hopped far on one foot? Circle the one you think it is. And it is hasn't. We haven't chatted about a book in a long time. We doesn't chatted about a book in a long time. Which one sounds better? We haven't chatted about a book, or we doesn't chatted about a book? We haven't. We have not. Okay, now at the top it has another thing for us to do. It says, circle the root word of the verb that ends with a suffix. So remember on, let's see, I believe it was Thursday or Friday maybe, we talked on this page about verbs and suffixes. So a suffix is something that is added to the end of a word that makes it different. And a verb is something you do. Okay, so we're going to look at these sentences and we're going to see what the person is doing, and then we're going to circle it, and we're going to look at what is the suffix in that word. Okay, can't he stop drumming and cook soon? What is he doing? What do they want him to stop? Drumming, right. So we're going to circle the word drumming, and I want you to underline ing because that's the suffix. That's the end of the word that makes it different. Isn't it fun petting him after he goes in the tub? What are they doing after he goes in the tub? They are petting. Okay? And then I want you to circle the suffix. I mean, not circle. Underline the suffix, ing. We are going to do 3 together, and then you're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7 by yourself. Okay? Didn't she say we are getting to buy wood this evening? What are they doing? And what has an ing on it? That's a good hint too. You'll find an ing or an ed on these words. So the ing word is getting, something they're doing. They're getting to buy wood. And the ing is our suffix. Now you're going to find the verb in each of these sentences. What are they doing? And you will underline the suffix ing or ed. Okay? And then you are going to draw a picture for one of these sentences. You get to pick. So draw a picture down here for one of these sentences, whichever one you decide. And then you will circle or highlight these words up here.